I will cook some rice. I will add some biryani masala and dry lemon, black lemon, and bay leaf. Okay. Biryani spices. And bay leaves. Stir it. Cook it. And let's just wait. Okay, in this bowl I will add some spices and sauces. I will add some barbecue sauce. I will add garlic sauce. I will add sweet soy sauce. I will add some paprika and some mixed spices. I will add ranch dressing sauce. And I will add some French dressing. Okay. And I will add this tandoori masala. It's also Indian spices. It's for chicken, but I think I will add it later. Okay, that's it for now. I will mix it. Okay, let's start mixing. And it's almost ready. Maybe the color is a bit different from what I see here, but yeah, it's okay. Make it more dark like this. Okay, and the rice still. Okay, here we have this chicken, and I will cut it into pieces. Okay, let me cut it and be back. Okay, the rice is cooked now, and I forgot to add cooking cream to the sauce, so I will add cream to the sauce and then I will add the chicken. Okay, let me add some cooking cream. And now I will add some tandoori masala. Okay. And then I will bring one paper and I will add the chicken. Okay, I added all the chicken and the sauces. Now okay, I think now it's ready. Okay. I will put it 175 degrees with time of okay, 80 minutes. Later I will check if I will add more, or maybe I will take it out earlier. Let us check. Bismillah. Okay, here I will add the rice to the bowl because I will cook pasta. Okay, I'll add all the rice to the bowl. Okay, I will go and wash this, then I will add the pasta. Okay, I added some water and I will use this pasta, this one. I will add some close it. I will not add anything. I will just mix it with the chicken because it is already has many sauces and spices. So I will mix it later in this bowl. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let us see what is going on here. Oh yeah. I will just mix it. Okay, it is done here. It's almost finished. Just wait. Okay, perfect. Okay, I will take it now and I will put it in the bowl. Here also it's almost done, our pasta. Okay, it's almost, just wait a little bit. But let me add this. Okay, I will add this all together here. Oh yes. Oh yes. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Oh yes. Yeah. Oh yes. I think it's almost done. Let me take one and eat it, if it's already cooked or not. Okay, I will add this all together here. Oh yes. Oh yes. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Oh yes. Okay, I think I will not wait more. I'll just close it. And yeah, I think it's already cooked. So let me take it and put it here. Okay, now I will mix it. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, it's ready now. Oh yes. It seems so delicious. Yeah, I know because I cook it. Just eat and see how it looks like. Mmm. It's so delicious. And I don't forget myself that I cooked this food. So thank you myself.